Hey there, welcome to another quick JavaScript tutorial. Today, we're going to check whether a number is a power of 2. This kind of check is super useful in computing, memory allocation, and even game loops. Let's look at how simple bitwise operations can, can do this. We're aiming to determine whether a number is a power of 2. In binary, powers of 2 have a unique property. Just one bit is set to 1. For example, 8 is 1000. 16 is 10,000, and so on. That binary pattern is exactly what we'll use in our code. Here's our function, and it's surprisingly short. We return true only if the number is not 0 and if num and num minus 1 equals 0. This clever bitwise check confirms only one bit is active. Let's break it down with a few examples next. Let's see the logic in action. When we do 64 and 63, the only one bit in 64 gets cleared. The result is 0. If a number is not a power of 2, this will not happen. We'll get a non-zero result. It's a clean and super fast way to confirm powers of 2. Let's run through some values. 64 and 1 are both powers of 2, while 94 and 0 are not. The bit pattern tells the full story behind each result. Next, we look at where you might use this kind of check in practice. Powers of 2 are everywhere in software. The key for memory optimization, game mechanics, and anything binary based. Even things like grid snapping or power-ups in games rely on this. Now, let's close it out with what we've learned today. And that's how you check for powers of 2 using JavaScript. We leaned on a neat bitwise trick that's both elegant and efficient. This method is perfect for performance-heavy code where every microsecond counts. Stick around for more clean coding tips. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.